we have discussed the p block elements. In p block elements we have discussed that what are p block elements, how they have arranged in the periodic table, which elements are known as p block elements, in which the last electron enters into p shell. So here we are going to discuss more about the p block elements group 15. About group 15 we have discussed few general properties like oxidation state, allotropy, catenation. So now we are going to discuss the next topic, anomalous properties of nitrogen. Nitrogen is extremely small size, having high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy, and non-availability of d orbitals, which makes it a congener. Congener means which is different from its own group. So nitrogen do not show the property, all the properties which rest of the element shows. It is very small size. It is highly unstable in nitrogen single bond, while other elements are quite stable with single bond to itself. Because nitrogen is very small, its non-bonding electron creates repulsion, which involves the non-bonding electrons into bonding electrons. That is why nitrogen form multiple bond with itself, not single bond. Nitrogen also occur in diatomic molecule form, that is also same because of the triple bonding, while other elements of group 15 are stable in single bond to itself, so they are present in tetraatomic form. Nitrogen single bond is quite weaker, another element single bond is stable, that already we discussed because of interelectronic repulsion. And catenation properties also been shown only by nitrogen and phosphorus, but in comparison to nitrogen and phosphorus, the catenation property is more in phosphorus because of the stable p bond, single p bond, and the other elements are able to form d pi multiple bonding, while nitrogen only forms p pi bond. This is the reason is unavailability of d orbital, which is available in other elements of the same group. Now let us discuss more about group 15 with the help of the their compounds. So here the very first compound of group 15 is reactivity towards hydrogen. So when the group 15 elements react with hydrogen, they form hydrides whose general formula is EH3. So N NH3, P PH3, AS AH3, SbH3, BiH3. The nitrogen hydride is known as ammonia, phosphorus hydride is known as phosphine, arsenic hydride is known as arsine, stibine and bismuthine. So let us discuss the properties of hydrides. So very first properties of hydride is their stability. As we know, down the group the size of the atom increases, and same is with the EH bond length. As down the group EH bond length increases, the bond becomes stable. So when they are heated, this bond easily can be broken down. So highly stable is nitrogen, and this stability down the group decreases due to increase in bond length. The next is their basic nature. The basic nature also down the group decreases. Why basic nature decreases? Because why they are basic, all the group 15 elements are having one lone pair on the central atom, because only three bonds are involved in the bonding, so one lone pair is present. So as one lone pair is present, which is available for the bonding, which is responsible for the basic behavior of hydrides. So as down the group size increases, the centralization of this lone pair decreases and availability decreases to decrease in the electronegativity and increase in size. So that is why the basic behavior is also decreasing. Now coming to the reducing agent. Reducing agent means ability to get oxidized, that increases down the group, means the reducing behavior increases down the group. Reason is increase in size and increase in the bond length. Now coming to the physical state. Physical state, due to the hydrogen bonding between ammonia that can exist in liquid state, but rest other do not exist. So ammonia exhibit the hydrogen bonding. So due to hydrogen bonding, ammonia can exist in solid as well as liquid state. Because of this, they have high melting and boiling point. So melting and boiling point is also having a reason that down the group it increases. So phosphine should have more boiling melting and boiling point than ammonia, but it is less because hydrides are having hydrogen bonding, but others are not having the hydrogen bonding. Now reactivity towards oxygen. So with oxygen, the group 15 element forms two compounds with having general formula E2O3 and E2O5. So these are the two form in blue oxidation state, that is +3 and +5. So nitrogen mostly exists in +3 and +4 oxidation state. Nitrogen do not form stable oxides with +5. And the here general behavior what we have to study about oxides of Group 15 is their acidic and basic behavior. Generally, in higher oxidation state, means in +5, the nature of oxide is acidic, and lower oxidation state, the nature of oxide is basic. Lower oxidation state basic, higher oxidation state acidic. But in case the oxidation state is same, then acidic behavior down the group decreases due to increase in size, and basic behavior increases. It means if two elements is having the same formula, having +3 oxidation state, so the one which is lying down the group will have basic behavior, the one which is lying the oxide above in the group will have the acidic nature. So the more about halogens we'll discuss in our next video or next class. Thank you.